Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about database recovery, the need for recovery, part of database management system course. Database recovery refers to the process of restoring a database to a consistent state after a failure or error. Recovery is an important aspect of database management as it ensures that the data is available and accurate, even in the face of failures or errors. There are several types of failures or errors that may require database recovery, including hardware failures such as power outages or disk crashes can cause data loss or corruption. Software failures such as bugs or system crashes can cause data loss or corruption. Human error such as accidentally deleting or modifying data can cause data loss or corruption. Security breaches such as hacking or data theft can cause data loss or corruption. To ensure that a database is recoverable, it is important to implement techniques such as checkpointing, transaction logs, and backup and restore procedures. These techniques allow the database to be restored to a consistent state after a failure or error and ensure that the data is available and accurate. It is important to carefully plan and test the recovery procedures for a database to ensure that they are effective and can be implemented quickly and reliably in the event of a failure or error. This can help to minimize the impact of failures or errors on the availability and integrity of the data and ensure that the database is able to continue operating smoothly. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.